Galaxy A73 has 6.7 inches display and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 6.73 inches display. Here is the display resolution of both Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio of both Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra is 20:9. The pixel density of Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra is 393 pixels per inch and 521 pixels per inch.
Here is the screen to body ratio of both Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Galaxy A73 5G has 800 nits brightness and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 1000 nits brightness. Here is the glass protection of both Galaxy A73 and Xiaomi 12s Ultra.
The operating system of both Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra is Android version 12. Galaxy A73 has Snapdragon 778G chipset and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Galaxy A73 has Adreno 642L GPU and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Adreno 730 GPU. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have GPS. The back camera of Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps and 8K at 24 fps. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have same 32 megapixels front camera. The front camera of Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra can record video up to in 4K at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps.
Galaxy A73 has 5000 mAh battery and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 4860 mAh battery. Galaxy A73 has 25 watt fast charging and Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watt fast charging.
Galaxy A73 5G doesn't have reverse charging but Xiaomi 12s Ultra has. Galaxy A73 5G doesn't have wireless charging but Xiaomi 12s Ultra has. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have GPS. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have Face Unlock. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have Face Unlock. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones have NFC. Galaxy A73 5G doesn't have IR blaster but Xiaomi 12s Ultra has. Neither Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones are water resistant. Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of Galaxy A73 5G and Xiaomi 12s Ultra is IP68.